Hey guys, it's Andre here at Durham Harley-Davidson. I want to take a moment to talk to you about security codes on our modern Harley-Davidsons. Most Harley-Davidsons come standard with security. I want you to follow my hand down here and we're going to have a look. This is the security code for this motorcycle. Your dealership will be able to provide you with the new security code. If not, what you're going to do is you're going to talk to your service department, ask them to hook up the bike and get a security code for you. I'm going to take a few minutes and show you how to put a security code into your bike. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use both indicators on this motorcycle. So I'm going to turn the motorcycle on, and my key fob now is more than 6 feet away. So I'll turn the bike on, it will not start, and you will notice down here it will say enter pin. But oh, I went too far, no worries, just keep on going past. 6, 7, 8, I'll tab over to the next one. Oh, and I messed up there. So what I have to do when I mess up is I'm going to turn the motorcycle off. This is my security light. We're going to wait for that light and the motorcycle to reset. And we're going to try that again. So what we're going to do is, there we go, it's reset now. I'm going to try and engage the motorcycle again by turning it on. It should say enter pin, and I will start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tab over, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, tab over again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My final tab, my last number is 1, and I will engage, and the motorcycle is now ready to start. Thanks so much, guys. Remember, when you're in the Oshawa area, drop into Durham Harley-Davidson and ask for Andre.